Another day at work. Time to clean up. Huh? What's this? Ugh, these kids. Another one? Huh. How many of these are there? Ew, gross! Wait, what was that? Uh-oh. Let's try cleaning it. Nope. Maybe this'll work? Ugh, it's smeared. I was never here, okay?
Whoa, what's this? Who drew it? Oh, I know. Like my art? Total genius, right? This part's pretty. Huh? Hey, wake up!
What?
Let's go find some inspo.
Totally! Let me just change real quick. All set! Let's roll! Whew, maybe here?
Not yet.
Keep up, Teach!
Ooh, too much green here. Keep going!
It's boiling! How much longer, Teach?
We need a solid view. Keep walking. Whoa! This is the spot!
Let's do this!
Paint that sunset.
No prob. This color's perf. Alright, let's go! So pretty. Totally worth the hike. Huh? Let's roll! Darn it! Forgot my brushes!
What? It's fine. I got an idea. We'll grab some foam and cut a shape. Then dab on some colors. Press it down real good. Just like that. These prints might be even cooler than brushes. See? So many ways to make art. Here you go.
Whoa! Still, the original looks better. Wow.
Today's art contest day. Winner gets pizza. Go for it.
That pizza's mine. What the heck? Done. Oh yeah. I can't beat that.
Huh?
Look over there, silly! Leave me alone. Woohoo! That way! What? Come on! Whoa! So much stuff here! Hey! Over here! Huh? What now? Steal the art! Not so sure. Oh. Don't steal. That's bad. Listen here. If you say so. Only got this. I still stole the head. You're welcome. Well, since it's already here, let's use it. Alright, let's begin. First, trace the lid like this. Nice! Looks awesome! Now place the flashlight here and close the lid. Teach, I'm done! Oh no!
Oh, looks like you forgot the head.
It was just here! My turn!
Whoa, super creative! Looks like we have a winner!
Yay, thanks! I wanted that pizza! Huh? How did this even happen? No idea.
Happy birthday to me! Wonder what I'll get.
Hope the teacher loves it. Oh, thanks. Oh, really? Good thing I got cake.
Oh, hi!
Whoa! Seriously? At least it tastes good. Worst day ever!
So fresh.
Huh? Almost lost it. Oh, wait. Got an idea. Wrap this chain around the color blobs. Pull it tight to the middle. Done. Whoa, this looks sick. Hey, Teach.
Oh, what?
Happy birthday.
For me? No way!
You like it?
Of course, it's so sweet! Thanks!
Phew, thank goodness.
And that's why it's super important.
Snack break time. Come to Mama Treats. Let's go. So good. I'm thirsty. Oh, yeah.
Young lady, I've told you no food in class.
Huh? Oh, snap.
What's that bottle?
This? Not for drinking. For painting. Just dip it in paint like this. Pretty color, right? Stamp it down. Nice. Now add a darker shade. That's it. Now time for brushy brush. Let's draw the stems like this. All done.
Oh, okay then. A+ for the art.
For real? Awesome! Time to update my diary. Perfect. Age 13. Right. And my bestie is… Hey, let me copy, please. Nope. Not Emily. Maybe Ryan's my bestie. Hey, wanna share?
Nope.
Ugh, that greedy boy's not my friend. Do I even have any friends?
Hey, give me your diary.
What? Here.
Let's take a look. Oh, I got an idea. Let's paint this part of the hand like this. And stamp it down. Looks cool. Here you go.
What's that mean?
Now add your handprint too.
Oh, now I get it. This color's perf. Oh yeah. Press it good, just like that. Nice, but needs a bit more. Let's draw the hair here. And here. Perfect. A few more details. All done. Check it out.
Whoa, it's beautiful. Now we're actual best friends.
Yay! Gonna write it down.
I brought an aquarium for the classroom, but there's no fish. Can you draw one?
Sure thing. Let's go. Let's start here. Phew, so hot. Much better. How about this?
No.
Ugh, come on. Okay, one more try. Gotta nail this. What about now? Ugh. I'll show you what I got. Still not it?
We need fish.
Can I go out? Like now?
Oh, boy.
Okay, I'm back. Way better.
You got something stuck to your foot.
Huh? Seriously? Wait, this might work. Let's add some paint here. Stamp it down. Nice. Now fill it in. A few more fishies. And done. Add the eyes and some details. That's it. How's it look, Teach?
Bravo! These fish are as cute as us.